Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Fabulous Friday. Last night was day 4, 4 or 5, sorry, I've lost count, of my bachelorhood while Robin is down in LA, I think LA, at a conference. Last night I prepared a beef and onion stir fry, but it had Asian inspiration. It was very good. Now, if you look at the pictures in the video, you will see I actually added an ingredient that wasn't in the original list. I had an Anaheim pepper that was really almost on the verge, so I actually just cut it up and put it in. Yes, why not? Remember, recipes are just guidelines. So, and then I kicked it up a notch and I added some CCK to it and added up some heat. Served that over white rice and yummy. Tonight is super easy, but I have a choice. I'm going to read it because so basically there's two things. The gnocchi dish, which I was going to prepare the other night, but I decided because I had a big lunch, yada, 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 I didn't make it. Or the other option is pasta aglio, whatever. Basically, long pasta with oil and butter and Parmesan, just super simple. Got the hardware because the hardware is basically the same for the gnocchi and the pasta, which I have them out, but nothing else. Help me decide which way to go. A few people from last night, including Robin, have said the pasta. What do you think? All right. It's August. It's August 16th. Two things. Bel Air already has a candy display for Halloween. I love Halloween. And I love Halloween candy. But it's August. All right. The other thing, I saw it on the news this morning. I think I saw it yesterday too. Pumpkin spice. I'm not a fan. My daughter is. But pumpkin spice is back and out. What are your thoughts? Like I said, I'm not a fan. All right. On this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.